Hey guys, it's your girl Sha. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, please be sure to hit subscribe for more cooking tips and tricks, reviews, and unboxings. So I personally don't have TikTok, but I did see this recipe trending on Instagram, so I decided to give it a shot myself. It is called Nature's Cereal. I put in blackberries, blueberries, pomegranate seeds, which I believe were the main ingredients for this trend, and I added strawberries for color and a couple of ice cubes just to make sure it was chill, and coconut water. So let's give it a shot. Hopefully I don't have a reaction. I personally never had pomegranate seeds, so this will be a good time to try it out. This is actually really good. The pomegranate seeds kind of taste like little baby apples. This is actually really good. I'll try with one of the strawberries. I've never had pomegranate before. I don't believe. I don't think so. But this is good. I kind of wish I would chop the strawberries a little bit smaller, but this is really, really good. If any of you guys tried this, let me know in the comments what you guys think. If it's your first time trying it, try it. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. This is good. I'm not a big cereal eater, really. So honestly, this is a good alternative if you're in the mood for cereal. The pomegranate seeds gives it that crunch. Obviously, because it's pomegranate seeds, but that's really good. This is something I might try to do more often, especially since I'm focusing on drinking more water. I've been doing a gallon a day. I'm on day 5, by the way. So I think I'm doing pretty good. I'm gonna do one more with the strawberry. It's so good. Let me see if I can get at least a blueberry. This is really good. I highly recommend giving this a try. Like I said, if you're like me, not a big cereal eater, that is something really good that you should try. It's healthy, right? It's nature's ingredients, so it's all natural. So again, let me know in the comments what you guys think. If you tried it, if you're gonna try it, come back and let me know what you guys think. And like I said, be sure to subscribe for more videos, and I'll be back. Alrighty, bye.